YouTube. I think we may have cracked it. Okay, so I can get this working here. Okay, that's running. Now if I, bear with me a second. One second. We have something on the screen. Finally, horizontal as it should be. If I disconnect it, there's the baseline. And there's the upper line. Let's alter this first parameter here. I was playing around with some filters last night, so 1 meg to 55, a sweet bit. As you can see, we have a dip. Most definitely, there's somewhere around 10 megs. So if I stop this, alter the second parameter to select, go down from 55 megs, something like around 27. There's a better pronounced dip. Just marking the dip, showing the peak rise, and I can alter him. So we have something showing on the screen. Finally, I'll try and explain what we've done. Let me bring this around here, and I'll turn him off so we don't have, let's get a pointer here. This item here, right, is the isolated BNC socket from you. Through a 50 ohm terminator, out, and then it's decoupled either side. That's fed via a ferric bead into the 8837, which are working. So we have, I did think we had an issue with this, but it was the way it was running. You haven't got a positive and negative on the inputs. What you have is on the 8307, you have a minus input and a plus input that have to be away from ground. It's very difficult to find it, the information, but it is there. I know it's a rat's nest. I know there's going to be a lot of noise. This is purely built like this so that I could troubleshoot it as I was constructing it. Mains power supply would be pointer. Mains power supply, not grounded, and we have two 7805s regulated, blah 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 blah. The one is feeding the 9850, and we have it running through a filter. Sorry, the light's a bit bad. This is the voltage divider for the TFT display. We have voltage divider for the 2.5 volt reference, rotary encoder, push buttons, and down in there, if we can find it, there's the Arduino Nano. And now that it's working, and now that it's running properly, I can tidy all the rat's nests up. I've yet to make a decent sharp filter to get a decent response on there, but signal generator works, power meter works. The frequency response is showing something on the screen now. This is just running through the, I've got a capacitor coil combination there. There's the dip again, showing that we are working. The only thing that I want to do is I want to put a second function on one of the buttons. It may be the rotary encoder. When it, let me have a look at it now. Let's see if I can do this for you. Now this is going to run every second, it up to every refresh rate is about a second. If I do this and just alter it, as we get, it's very messy on the screen. Well, I want to be able to clear the screen, so I'm going to try and put a function in the code for clearing the screen and then continuing, so that we have, quote, a cleaner screen. Whenever you do anything with the, that's the end of the sweep there. And it is calculating, it is functioning. There is, it's still to be finally calibrated, but we have a working system. So there we go. Oh, what a headache that was. All right, 7 threes to all the radio hams out there, and have a nice day.